How to remove business account from Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to remove business account from Instagram. For that case, you just have to go ahead and log in into your Instagram account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. That's going to look something like this. So while you're on this page, you just have to go ahead and press the profile icon and then tap the try bar icon from the top right. And next, what you have to do is, first of all, you need to make sure that you have a business account, and only then you can go ahead and switch over. So currently I don't happen to have it, but I'm going to show you how you can do that. So just tap the try bar icon and here scroll down a bit, and then you could go to creator tools and control. Over here you'll have this sort of field where you can go ahead and click on switch account type located right over here. So over here you could either go to personal account or maybe business account, just like that, and click on switch to personal account. So that is how you can remove business account from Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.